Dear students, again welcome to the chemistry classes. In the previous class, we have started and discussion about the selection of lubricants for different jobs. So in previous class, we discuss about the requirement of selection of lubricants. I already discussed about the different conditions due to which selection of lubricant is required. So in today's class we discuss further in that part, and we enter into the selection of lubricants for a few typical jobs. So today our focus point on this part, typical jobs, means that which type of work needs which type of lubricant. So the first job is lubricants for cutting tools. So we know that when a cutting tool cut a metal surface, in that situation a lots of friction takes place, because for cutting a metal surface we can't use a lubricant at that time, because after using lubricant the cutting tools will slip on that and the proper work will not done. So in that situation friction rate will be very high. So there is need of different types of lubricants which tolerate high pressure and also high temperature. So let us see on the board. When cutting tools cut a metal surface, then friction takes place. So this is obvious matter. When cutting takes place, then friction takes place there. Due to the friction, high amount of heat is evolved, which causes wear in the metal surface. To reduce friction, there is need to use a lubricant. In heavy cutting, the most effective lubricants are mineral oils of low viscosities containing additives like fatty oils, sulfurized fatty oils, and chlorinated compounds, etc. So I want to define one thing here, that is fatty. Fatty means what? So fatty means that fatty word comes from the fatty acids used in organic chemistry. So when long carbon chain is present and a functional group containing COOH, means that carboxylic group, is attached with one end of that long carbon chain, that is called fatty acid or fatty compounds. Fatty compounds are not prepared carbon chain in a linear position. Also branching is there in the upward direction and in the downward direction. So the structure of fatty acids are complex. After decomposition we will get different types of products. So now we continue in this part. In light cutting, the most effective lubricant is oil emulsion. So we use oil emulsion when the cutting is light, means that there is less friction in that work. The second work is lubricants for IC engines. IC means that internal combustible engine. So nowadays we use most of the engines are IC engines, means that the burning of fuel takes place inside the engine, inside a chamber. So what happens in IC engine? In an IC engine, the lubricant is to be exposed to high temperature. Okay. Therefore, the lubricant should possess high viscosity index and high thermal stability. So what is the meaning of viscosity index? High viscosity index. So high viscosity index means the lubricant, the viscosity of lubricant should not too much vary with the temperature. So that is called high viscosity index. If viscosity index is low, it means that variation is too much. Okay. And high thermal stability means that lubricant should not evaporate or decompose at high temperature. For this purpose, petroleum oils containing additives are used as lubricant. So now reach to the last segment of this today's discussion, that is lubricant for delicate instruments. So if instrument is delicate means that there is no that type of instrument not facing high temperature, high pressure, or other uh, environmental features. So what happened in this part? Delicate instruments like watches, clocks, sewing machines are not exposed to high temperature, moisture, or heavy load. So we use vegetable oil or animal oil like palm oil, hazelnut foot oil, etc. for this purpose. In these machines, other lubricants like semi-solid or solid lubricants are not effective. So, in today's discussion, we know about the three typical jobs. In next class, I will discuss more jobs. So, thanks for today joining my class, and in next class we discuss more and more things. Thank you very much.